McLaren sucks.
Why?
This car.
But why? Why don't you like it?
I have a lot of issues, brother. With the design, it's nice. The design is crazy. Like, it's a nice design, the McLaren. But they have a brake problem. They're having a door problem. Like opening doors is too freaking heavy. Look how heavy these doors are. And like inside, like OCD inside, you will trip out. Like this car is like, you have money, you buy it. But comfort, brakes. The most important on this car is the brakes. It sucks. You brake the car goes.
Our BMW expert Sarkis, and a wild twist of events. You guys already saw his X6M torn to pieces, got fixed and everything, and in record time, by the way. So obviously he prioritized his car over customers, which is not cool. I almost fired him over that. But over the weekend, he went and he switched cars. Apparently, somehow you could get out of a lease really easily from an X6M, and he got a different car, and he's about to pull up. This is a more expensive car, so all my money talk went out the drain with him. He went and got a more expensive car, more payment, more debt, while Moses is buying multiple houses still. He's driving around cars that he doesn't own. So, and once again, don't feel bad for Moses, as he's the real rich guy here. And Sarkis gets to just drive around his new car and act cool. So he's pulling up right now. Let's go check it out.
I wonder what he bought. He did switch from Mercedes to BMW one time. He did do that.
Actually had a Range Rover Sport.
Yeah,
and then a BMW and then Mercedes. I don't know what, this guy switched so many cars.
Yeah.
But Range Rover, BMW, Mercedes has been his main cars. He has been talking about a Porsche. He's been talking about the Porsche Cayenne Coupe, whatever.
Yeah, he just like all of a sudden he likes Porsches now.
Yeah, we do know that he won't buy a car that on paper is slower than mine.
Here he comes.
Yeah, he's here.
I can't believe he got that.
All right, so he got another lame BMW. I don't even know what this is. Is this a 3 Series? What is this?
Wow, we're in Wilkins.
This is a Urus killer.
Is it 3 Series?
Yeah, it's a 3 Series Urus killer. No, it will smoke your car even if it's your car. It's still smoking.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not everything is about speed, Sarkis.
Not just this wing, it's expensive than your light.
My car is more expensive than his car.
A lot of people didn't understand it's a Volkswagen, so this is a legit BMW. No other company owns this.
In the year 2006, I had a car that had double this horsepower. And it happened to be a BMW, a real BMW.
In 2013, I had a helicopter and a jet.
Yeah, I'm sure you did. Mine's truth, yours is fake. Actually, my car's still over there, which has more carbon fiber than this car.
This is a legit carbon fiber. Legit carbon fiber. His is aftermarket. So I have this one, diffuser, rear caps, side grille, front spoiler, 7 pieces, like 22,000.
So you spent all your money again?
Yeah, I did. I just did it so I can smoke your car. That's all. Just have fun.
So you ruined your life, your financial life, to smoke my car.
Yeah, that's it.
What do you think, Moses?
Moses thinking to buy another house.
You're not happy for him?
Yeah, of course I'm happy for him. Whatever makes him happy, of course. If he's happy, then that's good. It's all about being happy. But is it a smart decision? No. But he likes it, so that's all that matters.
You want to drive a real car?
So this is
I don't care how much money I have. I would pick that car over this car any day.
this one?
Just because of the name is Lambo?
No, that's
the
not.
Mercedes behind it. I don't even compare my car to your car. I'm talking about this Mercedes S-Class, brand new.
This is nice.
This car takes a dump
So
on this car.
if you like comfort, why are you buying a Urus and dropping the car?
My car has comfort.
This is
and
car, the car doesn't have a comfort. It's a Lambo. Lambo doesn't have a comfort. It says Lambo is a sport car.
They came to see your new car.
Yeah, go show them your new car. It has fake carbon fiber interior.
Is it? Is it fake?
Yeah. This trim is not real carbon fiber.
Oh, you're dead. You found it.
Hey, it's 135. He's a liar. Hey, he cleaned his car and took the paperwork out.
I bet you this van will get more attention than your BMW.
I know. Stop hating. It's okay, Moses. One day you will have one too.
If I sell my house, I can buy 5 of your BMWs.
Oh my gosh.
If you sell your house, you have 100,000 equity. You're not gonna buy 5 of this. You can buy 550, but you cannot buy this one.
You have no idea what you're talking about.
I know one thing. Your house is on
You
payout.
really don't have an idea because
For
you
1
never owned the
million
house.
in 4 months.
Oh.
That leaves me with 400 grand.
Oh my god. Is this what you're
The
excited
car's not even
about?
going anywhere, bro.
What is
That
this?
thing's slow.
Hey.
Oh, 2-wheel drive?
Yeah, 2-wheel drive. Yeah. Now you can have fun.
Yeah. But the car is like 27 miles.
So what?
You don't
It's not even
house
losing
to shit.
traction. What is this 200 horsepower car? Oh my god! It doesn't even f***ing fish out the tail.
Try to do a burnout. See.
I can't. Oh, it's still in 4-wheel drive. Look. Okay.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna try to launch it.
No, it's not gonna.
Do it, do it, do it. Oh! You! What is this? Car! Ha 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 ha! It's fun.
Oh, that was a cop too. That was a cop. There's a cop behind us.
She didn't see them burn out?
Oh, I got lucky.
How does she not see them burning out? I don't get it.
We just got f***ing away from cops. How you feel, Vic?
Alright guys, another Maybach right here. This is the Maybach SUV, the GLS 600. As you can see, it's fully blacked out. This car came to us stock, black and chrome. Honestly, looks good. Customer wanted to black it out. Special customer. Special shout out to Diddy. This is Diddy's Maybach SUV. I mean, he wanted it all murdered out black, so we did all gloss black all around. Powder coat the stock wheels. Trims were wrapped, some paint work, whatever. But fully blacked out, stealthy Maybach GLS 600 for Diddy.
Hey, Sarkis. Sarkis.
No.
Hey, why you say shut up? Sarkis. No me ignores, cabrón. Sarkis.
You like his new car?
Huh? Oh, that's in the car? Wow. Hey, that's amazing.
Hard work pays off.
How he do that?
I don't know.
Man, he don't work, he don't do nothing. Man, see, yo me trabajo duro, man, duro. Y no tengo ni bicicleta. Hey, this is beautiful.
White interior.
He's clean.
Sarkis, yeah.
Yeah, Sarkis is really clean. When you go to school, go to high school, and then you get your degrees and everything, and you learn something, you deserve it. But if you don't go to school, you have to sweat. At least, can I open the door?
Sure.
Can I have the key?
Sure.
Let me see it.
You gonna drive his car?
No. Just, I want to open the door. Can I have the key?
Hold on. I'm looking at something.
Man, Instagram, man. Hey, Instagram killing you, man.
You will be nice in the car.
Oh, yeah. Why you don't put RDBs? Hey, Vic, mira.
He can't afford
Look at it. Not even RDB.
He has no style, that's why.
Look at the rims.
We can make one.
RDB is better than this, bro. Vicky gonna give you something better than that. If you have the 50,000 likes on YouTube, he give you the rims. I swear.
Luis is back.
Anyways, I pay for his rims. Maybe 1 year work for you, free. And you give me the rims.
You just quit. How are you gonna do that?
I quit, but you sign me back.
You quit today?
No, before yesterday.
Oh, you quit? Or what'd you do on your day off?
Think about his race.
Raise.
Oh, raise.
He got a raise, that's why he's happy.
Oh.
I can talk.
Vic told me this car doesn't launch, so we're gonna give it a try. Let's see.